2.02 seconds from Mohawk Warrior.
Yeah.
All right, now we have Rod Schmitting, Gravedigger in the right lane. Candace Jolly, Monster Dalmatian in the left lane. We just told